How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick 69 Chevelle SS 396 done in its factory Garnet Red. It's had a complete frame off restoration a couple of years back. Super nice car, guys. Very nice, straight down the sides. See all the grill, the bumpers, everything looked like new. Tell you, I really like the 69 Chevelles. They're just tough cars. Car's real slick, straight down the sides. Did a nice updated set of 15-inch aluminum wheels with the SS caps and everything. Look factory. Very nice. So all the tail light bezels and rear bumpers all been redone. All the panel fitment on this car is very nice. It's original panel car, original floors. Just a real clean, nice car. They did a real good restoration on. Been updated with vintage air and heat. The original 396 has been replaced with a 454. Nice sounding comp cam and stuff in it. It's got your power steering, your power disc brakes. Got 12 bolt limited slip 331. Tell you, it's got the blood red interior in this car. It's just gorgeous. All new interior in it. Gorgeous car, folks. I tell you, I really like the red interior. Headliner's nice and tight. Got all the factory buckets, console. See all the jams, paintwork, everything's very nice in this car. Tell you, it's a show quality car. Trunk floor is all nice, solid, clean. Got the 12 bolt rear. They did do an AM FM CD stereo, nicely mounted in the dash. You can see the vintage air controls. Blows cold. Tell you, the car drives and rides just perfect. No rattles, nice tight. Got good sound and Flowmaster exhaust on it. Got a set of ceramic coated headers into the 2.5-inch duals. Fires right up. Good driving car. Dude, this is a show quality car. Backup lights, everything works. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.